Hi everyone, this is Sumaya from Tulip here today, and I'm here to walk you through a new Factory Kit unit test application. A Factory Kit unit test application is essentially for all Factory Kit owners to be able to set up and test whether all the Factory Kit applications are working correctly. The main loading page of this application, the landing page of this application, is a Factory Kit starter app, which essentially when we jump into it, what we see is that it gives us an option and tells us how to actually set up and register Tulip gateways. So when we actually click these links, it redirects us to support articles for setting up and registering our Tulip gateways. And once we are done setting up and registering our Tulip gateways, we have the option to actually go and see our Factory Kit Navigator page, which navigates us to our various applications within our Factory Kit, ranging from the Andon light stack unit test to the temperature and humidity sensors unit tests. Each of these applications have unit tests have their own setup and test applications. So when you actually click on test for a particular application, you're redirected towards a particular unit test application for that very specific device that you've selected. And when you enter that, you have the option to click help to see whether you want to whether you need any help with setting up that application, or actually go ahead and try and see whether your device has been set up correctly and is functioning as intended. This is how our Factory Kit unit test application works, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support.tulip.co, and thanks for following along.